So here's a update for that of the 28th of August 2025. Of course, if you've been following my channel, you know exactly how I use the Fear and Greed Index to really dominate the stock market and go long with a lot of stocks. So anyway, we'll start off with that of August 1st, and up before this was just a sell-off like the 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, or whatever of July. And of course, things started dropping some more. I sold some more off. And right here, I sold some more off. And these were the stocks I sold that I held since like April. So these stocks were already making money, already just killed it. And they were going in the red, and a lot of other stocks were going in the green. So I sold off everything that was still in the red, but I still made profit from that of April. So those were all gone. So what I held was everything still in the green. So if I had like 15 to 17 stocks that were still in the green, I held them. Hold, 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 right? And the market's still dropping as this is happening. And of course, I can go back here and see the numbers, right? You can always see the numbers. Hang on here. I gotta get the old, right? So I went from high in the 70s to that of 47.50, and then 57, 54, 55, 59, started slowly climbing back up. So when slowly, this stock breadth starts start moving up, then you know there's more stocks entering into the market right in here. So you know right there that things are starting to happen. So what do? Hold, 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 and then all of a sudden on that of the 14th, I started buying again. Buy, as things here, right in this area, are related to right here, right? So here's the top area. Then we do a nosedive. And we start slowly, see the dip. Okay, now we're starting to move upwards, right? These numbers go from negative position to a positive position and start climbing. Right? So right there is 3.24. Right there is 189. And it's going up. So that's where you start loading up again. Again, same thing here. Very, very top. July 25th, 28th. Sell off right there. Sold off my last ones right there. Right? Friday, August the 1st, because I don't know what's happening to the market. And you don't want to hold things right there. You just, I don't know. You just don't. That's my prerogative on that one. Anyway, Fridays are like deciding factors of what's going to happen during the weekend, right? I mean, someone could drop something during the weekend, and that would just be a whole different ballgame. So I've learned over time not to do that. When it gets to that point, and you know things are falling, then get out of everything that's in the red, keep everything that's in the green, and go from there. And of course, everything slid. Hit the bottom. What did I do on the 14th? Hold, buy. This was on the 14th, 15th. Buy. Why? Why did I buy? Right? Over here. Starting to move up. The market's moving up. So more stocks are being added. Right? Up. And then boom. Things are really starting to go up. How long will it last? Guess we'll find out. Of course, there's the put and calls. And of course, the VIX. still down, still good. And of course, got out here, out there, then I wait. And as it slowly starts moving up, all this stuff slowly starts moving up due to here. Then I start buying back in again. Buy. And now we're way up here. So it's gone from that of very top 47 to 50 to now pushing back up to that of 66. The last number there was a 62 and now it's 66. Just because it's changed over from almost 12 o'clock. So 62 was Wednesday. This is Thursday going on Friday. So if this pushes us, this could hit 70 and then you would be back into extreme greed. Pretty darn close. Well, going back into 66 to 7 would be greed, and then 75 would be another push up, and past that would be into extreme greed. So, and then I'd be looking for another very top, and then slowly selling off again. So that works just fantastic for me. Always has. You just figure this stuff out. And a lot of people think it's this crap until I show it on here. And then the people who I actually trade with, yeah, they're happy campers. So that's how I do that. And of course, I'm adding that on my newest secret weapon. And that will be coming up very shortly. I'm behind, way behind. I've gotten a burning candle at too many ends. I'm trying to do things that need to be done, seriously need to be done. And I just haven't spent a lot of time here. So I'll let you know that. But more is coming in September. So have yourselves a very good day. Subscribe for way more. Check out my community page. And we'll see if 70 is just around the door. Ciao for now.